Hello. An east-west split with the weather today. It's a fine day across much of the east, some warm sunshine in places. But in the west, there's a lot of cloud. It's turning soggy and the breeze is picking up too. Let's take a look at the detail. You can see the band of rain just slowly creeping its way in, arriving across Northern Ireland, turning pretty wet here for much of this afternoon. The rain edging into West Wales and steadily pushing into southwest England. The breeze picking up here as well. Now, there's been some mist and fog across the east. That's slowly clearing. It may stay a bit misty and murky, especially in the east coast of Scotland, where we could struggle at 14 or 15. And we're only really looking at 15 or 16 with the dull and wet weather in the west. But elsewhere, a bit of sunshine, high teens, low 20s is possible across the southeast. A lovely afternoon here. But the rain does get more of a wriggle on this evening, and if I just stop it there for this evening's rush hour, you can see it's turning wet across northwest England and the Midlands, as well as more of that rain pushing in across southern England and up into southwest Scotland. Still dry at this stage across the east, but the rain will continue to edge its way in overnight tonight. It's going to be quite a soggy night, quite a dank night. It turns a little clearer in the west, but clear skies here could allow some mist and fog to form, and it will allow things to turn a little cooler, whereas it stays relatively mild in the east. But it's going to be a grey, drizzly, dank start to Thursday morning here. Now, that will slowly clear. The mist and fog in the west should also clear. And so for most of us, certainly from late morning onwards, it's a dry, fine day. Now, the rain may take most of the day before it completely clears from the far northeast of Scotland, and it stays a bit wet in Shetland. But for most, as I say, it's dry, it's bright, the winds are a bit lighter, and it'll feel pleasantly warm. Temperatures perhaps not quite as high as today in the east, but the winds will be lighter, so it'll feel just as pleasant, I suspect. Highs of 18 to 20 degrees, and feeling brighter and warmer in the west, certainly. But in the west, there's another weather front which mixes things up again through Thursday evening, starting to push rain into Northern Ireland. Elsewhere for many, Thursday evening does remain fine, but this next weather front is pushing in. That's going to bring some wet weather across the country on Friday. And if we take a look at the big picture, well, there's weather systems just waiting in the wings out in the Atlantic, a couple of them in particular that we need to keep a very close eye on. They're going to keep us on our toes over the next few days, and the weather's certainly going to remain changeable over the course of Thursday, Friday and into the weekend. For more details on all of that, you can visit our website and stay up to date through our mobile app, or of course there's always more on our YouTube channels.